Good evening, Mrs. Glover. This is Brittany here from BMW Porsche of Ocala. Just wanted to take a brief moment and introduce myself. We received your inquiry on the 2013 BMW 328i. What a great choice. Wanted to do a brief walk around video of this vehicle for you to show you that one, it is still physically here, and two, so you can see how great a shape this vehicle is in. Wanted to let you know this one is very nicely equipped. Luxury line, premium package, Steptronic automatic transmission, heated front seats, navigation system, BMW Assist with enhanced BT and USB. As we can see here, just an absolutely stunning vehicle. And I'll get ready to open the inside for you so you can take a closer look at the interior. That's a view of the sunroof right there that we're looking out at. Mrs. Glover, quality pre-owned vehicles like this tend to move very quickly here at our dealership and don't last long. You can reach out to us directly, 352-861-0234. And thank you so much for including BMW of Ocala in your search. And we look forward to serving you. Thank you so much, and you have a great evening. Good night.